Hello students. Today we are going to start with section 4, first chapter, History of Novel. Now students, last year we have already studied with the history of drama, and this year we are going to study with the history of novel. Now students, novel is nothing but one of the newest form of English literature. In 18th century, this novel became very popular. It gained lot of popularity and it also caught the spirit of 18th century. It was known as the age of intellectual, sentimental and realistic playing. Today, novel is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. Now let us know some objectives of novel. By reading a novel, we are able to write a note on characters, theme, plot, language and setting. First of all, let us know what is a novel. A novel is a word which is derived from the Italian word novella, which means new. In an easy language, we can say that novel is a story, a longer story, with more details of time, place, nature, people and their minds, their gestures and also activities. It creates the picture of the society of that time. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji, which was written in 1010, has been described as the world's first novel. Earlier, the stories of Greek romances and ideal love and also marvelous adventures became very popular. It also attracted the readers. Some of the examples of this love and adventurous novels are Virgil's Eclogues or Malory's Morte d'Arthur or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Now students, after the 18th century, the readers were least interested in the romances and tragedies. They wanted the English literature to be characterized by the spirit of realism. Let us know the names of some of the novelists of the 18th century. John Bunyan's, that is the novelist of the Pilgrim's Progress in 1678. Aphra Behns Oroonoko in 1688. Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders. Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travel, a famous satire. Salman Rushdie from India, V.S. Naipaul from Trinidad, Kazuo Ishiguro from Japan are some of the immigrant authors, and there are many others. Now students, you can see that these are the names of the authors who have written political, social, psychological and other modern issues in their novels. The names are E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding and Anthony Burgess and many others. Now students, let us see the Indian scenario. Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, serialized in the Indian field, was the first novel in English written by an Indian. There are also other Indian novelists like R.K. Narayan, Mulkraj Anand, Raja Rao, Nayanthara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Anita Desai, Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth and Upamanyu Chatterjee. Now students, last year we have already studied the elements of drama. Now this year we are going to study the elements of novel. So there are 6 elements, essential elements of novel. They are theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, language or style. Let's go ahead with its description. Now students, let us see what is a theme. A theme is the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. As you all know, central idea means the basic idea of the story. Now it is also a philosophical statement. Now what is a philosophical statement? It is nothing but the truth which the writer tells us in the series of events with the help of the story, with the help of the characters, actors in a particular setting. Next element is plot. Plot is essentially the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict or struggle, either internal or external. A plot may be simple or complex, consisting many subplots. The third essential element of novel is characterization or character. It is related to the plot. The main character has been described in its every aspect by the writer. Protagonist. Now what is protagonist? It is nothing but the main character in the story. The main character is in the conflict with character, entity, or a force which is known as antagonist. Students, last year we have already studied that protagonist is the main character who is always in conflict with the other characters or other force. That means he is always in struggle with the other characters or the other forces. So he is known as the protagonist because he is the main character in the story. The next element of novel is setting. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of the setting which includes place, period, time, climate or weather and lifestyle. Now students, plot and character are the two major elements which are affected by setting. The next element of novel is conflict. The struggle between the opposite forces in the story is called conflict. Conflict in the story provides interest and curiosity about the plot. The next element is language or style. The language and the techniques used by the author for narration of the course of events or story is known as the style. Now students, an author can use different types of vocabulary and high phrases. He may be laconic or he would write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement of the story. Now all these factors together create an impact on the readers. Hope that the part 1 of this chapter is clear to you all. Thank you.